Seems like we've been covering a lot of old Mopars on the channel lately, and wait, is that a problem?
I guess not.
Yeah, the lesson here is pretty clear. Bring an old Mopar to Lemons, wind up on the internet, broadcast to tens of viewers.
Yeah, we do love old Mopars and old cars in general, but especially old cars with a story. This car from the Gorilla Greasers definitely has that. It's a 1972 Plymouth Valiant Custom.
Don't forget the custom.
That was purchased brand new by the team captain Art's father, eventually rescued from a field and turned into their Lemons car.
Now, just a quick bit on the history of the Plymouth Valiant. Back in '57, Tex Colbert, he told Virgil Exner that, boy, if Chrysler didn't have a compact, Volkswagen and Studebaker would pass them up like they were standing still. So old Virg sketched something up and called up Will Wiertman, and damn if he didn't design the first slant six to make it all work.
What?
It's like a Dodge Dart. Specifically, this 72 is a third-gen Valiant, which is the square one. It was originally offered with the classic Slant 6 or the LA small block V8.
This particular Valiant is a 318 V8 version, originally equipped with the ubiquitous Torque Flight automatic, but the Gorilla Greasers later swapped in an 833 4-speed.
Now, on paper, this is about the simplest basic Lemon setup you can come up with. And unlike some of the more obscure stuff we feature here, you've got countless options on this Valiant for replacement and upgrade parts.
And a lot of these parts are cheap. If you're upgrading a BMW suspension, for example, it's easy to break the budget. But using a combination of online part suppliers and swap meets, this team was able to upgrade torsion bars, control arms, leaf springs, and other bits without overspending, or, attracting the attention of the Lemons judges, which, it being a 72 Valiant, also helps with that.
Oh, and about the Gorilla, 3 out of the 4 team members went to Pittsburgh State, home of the Gorillas.
Bringing an old car like this will immediately put you on the radar for Lemons Awards, and this team was one of the rare ones to win the grand prize, the Index of Affluency, at their very first race.
They dragged this car to Gingerman in Michigan, NCM in Kentucky, and High Plains in Colorado. Now at High Plains, they finished 3rd in class and 21st overall in a full 24-hour race.
And that ain't bad from Dad's old Mopar.
What kind of old family car do you have sitting out in the yard or in a barn? Tell us in the comments, or better yet, just build it and bring it to Lemons.
Every second you don't subscribe or watch one of these videos, another Vega is sent to the crusher. Won't you help us save Classic?